Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, reported the Prophet ﷺ said, "He who purifies himself in his house and then walks to one of the houses of Allah for performing an obligatory salah, one step of his will wipe out his sins and another step will elevate his rank." Narrated by Muslim.
Right. This is a clear hadith, tells us, number one, that the salah will not be acceptable except if you are made what? Wudu. Man tatahhara fi baytih. And also that the importance of making the tahara before you come to the masjid instead of coming to the masjid without tahara and then you make tahara in the masjid. So if you want this reward which Allah is going to give you in terms of walking, then make tahara before you come to the masjid. And that's unless you have flatulence or incontinence or something else. Then he says he comes to the house of Allah, regardless which masjid, but he says, لِيَقْضِيَ فَرِيضَةً. So his intention to do the prayer is here clear. To make the prayer. لِيَقْضِيَ فَرِيضَةً مِّن فَرَائِضِ اللَّهِ. So that means he comes to the prayer that is, which is obligatory, the jama'ah. كانت خطوته, his خطوته, and there is another narration, another one of the scripts says خطواته. كانت خطواته, that the steps of his إحداها تحط خطيئة, one will remove a sin, the other one will elevate a rank. Shows you this generosity of the Almighty subhanahu wa ta'ala is given to this ummah, that even the little tiny thing that you do is how much it is rewarded. So we learn from this hadith that the salah will not be accepted except with the tahara. Also, that for the reward to give you when you walk in, to give the tahara, to make the tahara before you go to the masjid. Also, that the person will be given hasanat with the little things that he does, and everything will be recorded. So Allah Azza wa Jalla is from generosity and honoring this ummah, that your stepping to the masjid will give you hasanat and remove sayyat, elevates your ranks in paradise. And finally, which is the most important thing, which is linked to the, and that is walking to the masjid. قال كانت خطواته. We can't say, for example, his wheel turning, okay, or his train. No, it is actually his. So if he's able to come with his, and we're going to see here some people that have been asked as well to be given a mount. He said, walking. So just for the masjid, just to walk to the masjid. Now, 1-0. This is show the importance of that.